Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you 3 little bears that are hiding out in this cave. They are keeping warm. One of them has a snowball in his hands, and why isn't that melting if they are by the fire? That is a mystery. So here they are keeping warm. And I would love to join them because it would just look so cozy in there. Now, before I go on, I would like to say thank you to Grandma Sandy. She's a famous YouTuber and she invited me to join her collab. So thank you, Grandma Sandy, and here I am joining. So what I did was I took this gingerbread house and placed a little tea light in there. This tea light is from the Dollar Tree. They come 2 in a pack. And I bought this house in a flea market for $5 a while back. I've had it for a while. And it is just so charming. So what I'm going to do this year is I'm going to dress up my dining table with a gingerbread theme. So you are going to see this again in my dining room. Now these here, this one, these 2 inside of those trays, and these 4 I bought at a yard sale in a bag with a whole bunch of other ornaments for $5. So that was a steal, getting all of these with other ornaments for $5. Then I also bought for 25 cents this little tiny gingerbread house at my favorite thrift store. You cannot go wrong with paying 25 cents for a little cutie like this. Look at that. Then these here, I have the little boy here and the girl. I bought those at a Dollar Power store a while back, a few years ago actually. So this is my collection. I don't have much on gingerbread. I have many Santas, snowmen, and bears, but this is all that I have in gingerbread. I just love this theme. So getting back to these little bears, look at how cozy they look in there. It's just the perfect place for them because it looks like they're inside of a cave. So this is my little Christmas gingerbread display in collab with Grandma Sandy's channel. So I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.